Puerto Rico living. What's up, babe? What's the plans today?
What it do, babe?
You chilling, huh?
Yeah, what's the plan? Shit, we're going to enjoy this motherfucking PR life, girl. What's up with you?
Nothing, babe.
Got your own beam?
Got your own beam, got your own live.
What's good with it? Y'all chill, enjoying life, baby. Look at this view.
Look at this view.
How we living, you heard? Ocean front.
Beautiful.
Cooling, you heard? Beautiful view. Look at kayaking and shit. We're on the ocean front. We got the jacuzzi pool. With the, what's the name of that pool?
Which? Oh, infinity pool.
Infinity pool. I think it's shut down right now, you heard me?
Because of the coronavirus, but.
That's how we living.
Come on, babe. We got to show them our.
You want to do a little MTV tour?
Yeah, MTV.
So ocean view.
Ocean view. Our double doors. Yep.
I got to get my cigars and shit. Get right. So look,
all right, babe. Okay, look at this.
Up in the living room. This is how we rock. Got the girl behind the thing. Got our clothes up in the closet like that there.
Yeah. What is this? The front room. Let me get back so we can see the front room.
So look at the closet.
Oh, I saw the closet, babe.
Got our beach shoes on deck. Got the Balenciaga socks. Got the hats. Ready to hit the beach. Balenciaga down. Got the other beach shoes down. Got the socks to match.
You funny.
We got the living room.
The living room.
That's the sofa bed.
That's the sofa bed.
Got our little gadgets and shit. You got your
my camera, yeah.
Got your camera and shit. You the camera one. So you know.
Then they got what? The kitchen area here.
Got the little kitchen area. You know what I'm saying? Got the little fridge.
All right.
And we got to get right. Everybody go get right now. Got my boy coming pick us up. So we can get right, get our drinks, shit like that down.
Alright. Just cat.
We already like the loaded. We got the Zuzus, you heard? The Zuzus. Got the Zuzus.
You stupid.
We already ate our breakfast and shit. We done tossed all that.
Yeah, ate breakfast already this morning.
Yeah, we got the little cabins. We ain't got too much going on like that stuff. Got the
yeah.
So right there.
Front door. Okay, we're going into the room. We're going into the room.
We're going in the bedroom, you heard? You know.
Open the shades, babe, so you can put some light in here. We got ocean view from the TV.
Yeah, we got ocean view in the room, you heard?
The bed. Open that up. Bam. Look at that. Ocean view from the bed.
Let me see. Oh yeah, you look good. We're going to have to put something right there to hold you up.
Seriously though?
Like that there. It all light up at nighttime, you heard me? Ocean view.
Ocean view in the room.
Got
the bedroom.
Got my get right, got my Creed, all that there, my deodorant and shit like that.
You were so damn deep.
What we got in the bed?
Well, of course, you know the bed messed up because, you know, we...
Yeah, we had to sleep. Yeah,
we did more than sleep, but okay.
Got some of my shit put up. You know what I'm saying? My shoes and...
Puerto Rico living.
Got our safe.
Hey, you put all this in there?
Lock my grip up, you heard me? I got some shit in there that Donald Trump ain't fucking with. So we're going to keep that on the top. We're going to keep that on the top, you heard me?
The closet, or then the bathroom.
That's your favorite part, because you know you...
I do not.
In the bathroom all day.
I do not be in the bathroom all day. Okay, so of course the beautiful shower. Then they have two zincs. That's his side. This is my side, of course, because you see the makeup and stuff.
All day.
Then the jacuzzi tub. And then the...
Well, we got the bathroom. They got the bathroom set up for us, and then we got the separate walk-in shower.
Yeah.
From the tub. Little light work, you heard?
Then of course me. That you only get better. You and me together. This Puerto Rico living. Everything's gonna be alright. can sit right there. So what's the plans, babe?
That's it. That's how we left.
Yes. Then you can't help but want to just see the views. As soon as you walk out on the balcony, then you could just hit the water all night. Then they got people over there kayaking. But look at that water, y'all. That shit is beautiful. I'm gonna have to go down there and get this wig wet. But yes, this is our hotel room. It's really nice in here though.
So you know, that's how we rockin', baby. So we got the ride coming. My poppy come and get us, you heard me? We about to go, get right. Get right. We might put a little sightseeing.
Yeah.
Film it. Come back. Chill out.
Yep.
Then tomorrow we got the few things popping, reservations, shit like that. What it is.
All right, babe. Say peace out to live.
Peace out.
We about to go.
You know, for life, you heard?
All right, y'all. We about to go south. I'll give y'all one more look at the view before I take it off. Look at that. The pool down there. The infinity pool right there. And that's it. All right, y'all. Bye.